Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to create, build and run ASP.NET Core Web API project using Visual Studio 2019. First, open your Visual Studio 2019. Then click create a new project here or else you can use this option to continue without code. You can use any one of the way. See here in left side we have some recent project templates. Here we have more templates. Here we have to look for ASP.NET Core Web API, this one. Then click next. Here name your project my first Web API. Then select the location where you want to save this project. Here we have to select the folder, then click OK. Your solution name is my first web API. Okay, then click next. Here we have target framework. If you are using older version, you can select the older version as per the need of your project. If you are using current version, you can keep as it is. Then we have authentication type. If you want to add authentication, you can use this. By default none is selected. Okay, expand this. Here we have two options. You can choose any one of the authentication as per the need of your project. Here I am using none option. Then here we have some advanced options. Configure for HTTPs. If you want to configure your project for HTTPs, you can use this. Then we have some options. Enable Docker. Uh, if you are using enable Docker, you can switch to Linux or Windows OS. Then we have enable open API support. These are some options available, so keep as it is now. Then click create here. Now it's creating our project. It will take few seconds. Now we are in Visual Studio 2019. The project is created successfully. Okay, see here in the Solution Explorer, we have some default folders and files which are provided by Web API project. If this Solution Explorer is not visible to you, go to View menu, then you can click Solution Explorer. Okay, now expand this controllers folder. Here we have default controller, weather forecast controller. Okay, now keep as it is. Let's build the solution. Okay, we can build the solution in many ways. First one is go to build menu, then click build solution. This is one method. Second is you can go to solution explorer, then right click on solution, then click build solution. Third is right click on the project, you can build the solution project. Okay, the difference is if you want to build the entire solution or all the project, you can approach this solution method. If you want to build an individual project, right click on the project, then build a particular project. You can a third method is you can use this shortcut in your keyboard, control shift B. This is the keyword, control shift B to build the solution. Now let's see how to run this application. Okay, to run this application, you click here IIS Express. Here I'm using web browser Google Chrome by default. Okay. Let's run this project by clicking this button. If you are running your project by CLI, this is the URL localhost 5001. If you are running your project with Visual Studio, Here, this is the URL 44362. See here, we have the same Swagger UI. This is we are getting from CLI, this Swagger UI from Visual Studio 2019. Now you can test this API by Swagger, browser or Postman. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video.